If you're looking for remote jobs in 2026, but every website you find either charges fees or requires years of experience that you don't have, I'm making this video just because of you, and I will show you exactly how to apply so you actually get responses. This one is very important if you're in Africa. These websites focus on remote jobs for Africans. Jobspresso, Careers in Africa, and Work in Africa. If you're tired of getting rejected just because of your location, this is where you need to be applying, and it's totally free. To be successful, apply early within 24 hours of a job being posted. Remote jobs get flooded fast, so speed matters. Update your resume before uploading it. Make sure it's tailored to remote work and highlight skills like communication, self-management, and any remote tools you know. Set up job alerts so you get notified immediately when new jobs matching your skills are posted. The second site is LinkedIn. Yes, LinkedIn, if you use it the right way. I get jobs from LinkedIn all the time. My first international training contract from a US company was gotten on LinkedIn. So it works if you know what you're doing there. This is what most people do. They just click easy apply and move on, and that's why you don't get responses. This is what you should do. Apply to the job like every other person. Then find a hiring manager or recruiter on LinkedIn or using their company website. It's usually listed in the job post, or search company name plus hiring manager. Send them a short message like this. Hi Philip, I just applied for a corporate trainer role in your company, and I'd love to help your team with upskilling your employees to meet the current job demands. Looking forward to connecting with you. That simple follow-up puts you ahead of 90% of others. Most people won't do it because they are either scared or lazy. Don't be like most people. Keep your message short and specific. Don't write a whole essay. Just show you are interested and you understand what they really need. The third site is RemoteOK. RemoteOK is perfect if you want work from anywhere jobs. They have tons of listings in tech, design, sales, customer support, and more. Now, here's the thing. You can browse and apply to most jobs for free. They do have a premium tier that gives you early access to some jobs, but you don't need it to get started. The free version works just fine. This is how you apply successfully there. Use filters and search by entry level, junior, or no experience level. Those jobs exist. You just have to look for them. When you apply, don't just send your resume. No. Add a short message like, here is how I can help you solve this problem. That simple line will double your chances of getting noticed. This site has strong filters for location, salary, and benefits. Use them to find jobs that actually fit what you're looking for, instead of wasting time on jobs that you're not qualified for in the first place. RemoteOK is a job board specifically for remote positions, and they verify every job listing to make sure it's legit. No scams. You'll find roles in sales, customer service, project management, writing, and more. You have to create a profile and set up job alerts. Don't skip the cover letter section, please. Even if it's optional, send one. A short personalized message explaining why you are interested can set you apart from people who only send resumes. The next site is Wellfound, formerly AngelList Talent. This is where startups hire remote workers fast. And the best part is that they care more about your skills, portfolio and results than the degree or your years of experience. This is how you can apply successfully there. First, build a strong profile, highlight your skills, add a professional photo, and include any projects or portfolio work that you have done. Apply quickly. Startups move fast. So if you see a job you want, apply within 24 hours. Wellfound also has a feature where you can get your profile highlighted to recruiters, but it's a paid feature. But if you keep your profile updated, recruiters might find you without you even applying. This is an open secret most people ignore. Company career pages. Go directly to company websites and apply there. Instead of competing with hundreds of people on job boards, search on Google careers plus remote plus customer support. If you're in marketing, careers plus remote plus marketing. If you're targeting a particular company, type company name plus careers plus remote. This takes you straight to the company's career page where you can apply directly. This avoids much competition. First, research the company before applying. Check their website, read their blogs, understand what they do, then mention that in your application. Customize your resume and cover letter for each company. Don't use the same generic application for everyone. No, don't do that. Smaller companies and startups often post jobs only on their own websites, not on job boards. So this method helps you find hidden opportunities no one else is applying to. You can also use Upwork, but you have a limited amount of applications if you don't subscribe. It's free to create an account and browse jobs, but submitting proposals costs connects, which are virtual tokens. You get 10 free connects every month on the basic plan, so use them wisely. This is how you can apply successfully without wasting connects. Don't write long proposals. Most freelancers write essays and clients don't read them. Instead, write 3 short lines. Mention their problem, show proof you can solve it, and then ask a question. Example, I see you need help managing your Instagram. I've grown accounts by 30% in 3 months using content calendars and engagement strategies. Would you like to see examples of my work? You can also apply for free by finding the client's contact info in the job post and reaching out directly outside of Upwork. Now, here's what matters. Don't just watch this video and do nothing. Pick 2 to 3 of these platforms. Set up your profiles today and start applying. Apply to 5 to 10 jobs every single day. Consistency is everything. Within a few weeks, you will start getting responses. If this video has helped you in finding remote work or in positioning yourself, help me like it. Subscribe so you don't miss more strategies that actually work. And if you know someone struggling to find remote work, share this video with them. You might just change their life. And if you're still asking, how do I use LinkedIn to find jobs? This video will help you with that. I wish you all the best.